Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this fun Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to make a text wavy in Word using WordArt and text effects. This is perfect for creating eye-catching titles, posters, banners, invitations, social media graphics, and creative document design. If you want to your text look curved, flowing, or wave shaped, this tutorial will show you the easiest way. So let's get started. At first, go the blank page and go to the insert menu, click the word art option, then draw a word art. Now I am select this, then write my text like you can write any text, then make the text wavy, select the format menu, then click the shape effect option, text effect option, and choose the transform. Now I am select the arc up. You can choose the charon up or the arc down and the oval. Now I am select the arc up, then increase the size or decrease the size of the text. Now we can see we make the text wave up very easily or wave text. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.